Hi, welcome back. Another lesson in Microsoft Access. We want to take a look at how to create forms in this lesson, and we're just using the form wizard. So let's jump into it. So last time we looked at creating relationship. Just to backtrack, we did our table, sorry. Then we did the relationship, and of course we saved this relationship. And now we need to create forms in order for us to enter data into our table. Also keep in mind that data can be entered direct into tables. So if I wanted to, I could type data direct in here, right? But that's the use for forms. So to create your forms, you select the table you want to create the form for. In this case, I want to create for customer table. I go to create, and I just choose form. So there's form design, there's blank form from scratch. I'm just choosing form. Access does a great job of creating forms along with subforms if you need to, which assist you in, of course, organizing your data. So customer forms, I save this by clicking here, yes, and I'll call this my customer form. As easy as that, and I close that. Notice my form is now created. Go ahead and create the other two forms for rooms and transaction. To do that, you select room table, you select create, and then form. I save my form, give it a name, and I call it room form. Same thing for transaction, create, form, and I save it. And I know that I need saving because of the yellow alignment around the text box here. So yes, and this is your transaction form. And then OK. That's it. So you have your three forms. I can click it now, and I'm able to add in data. So let's say customer ID number 1. First name will be my name, Marcel Palma. This should have given me a date picker, which it isn't. So I need to check on that. By the way, I'll put in some records. Say 01 01 1985. Making myself younger. Address, I'm from Punta Gorda, Belize. My email, so you can get me at bapplay@gmail. And of course, I'm just putting in data. This is actually my data if you guys want to contact me. And my phone number, some number, right? And then I can click here on next record if I wanted to add in a new record or new blank record. So I'll click here, the navigation pane at the bottom on new blank record. And allows me then to add in a second person. So let's say I'm adding in a new person. Let's call this Pat Mel. She was 2nd to the 2nd, 1990. I think you have to put 19 more, right? I am thinking I have this as short text, that's why it's showing up. We'll have to fix that, right? And I'll tell you how to fix that in a while. So she lives in, let's say, Punta Gorda Town, Malati Street. Email, not there, phone, not there. And then next. So, like I mentioned, we have created our forms. We can now enter in data into our forms, and I'll do that. I'll populate data. But before that, I just want to check it out and see if I made a mistake and how to correct that mistake. I might just do it in another video.